Hey everybody. I'm going to discuss the different aesthetic states when it comes to creative journaling. In my journaling ecosystem, I have my creative journal, my commonplace journal, and my knowledge base. And I'm currently working on my book of illumination. That will be a video coming very soon. As you can see, some are more chunky than others. This I've been working on throughout the year. Got one more month left to do, and that video will be coming next month. And the journaling asset that goes with it. We'll be showing you that next month. And this has a lot of embellishments. It's decorated to the heavens. And I spend most of my time working on my creative journal. However, I will be working on these other two much more. In my commonplace notebook, it's more so has a referential decor. Um, that includes such things as tables, tables, diagrams, maps, some tip-ins, embellishments, another diagram, some decoration as well, some typography, some interactive elements, these tabs, some paper clips, and these are paper clips made from paper and cardstock. This one, I haven't worked too much in this, but I will be junkifying this as well. My knowledge base is here to boost my critical thinking and deepen my learning. As you could see, this is more decorated than this because I haven't decorated the front. I just left it as that, but I was decorating the back, will be. And with this, we have a lot of stickers, a lot of different, another paper clip, not paper, yeah, paper clip made from cardstock. This one is more decorated than my commonplace. And this has a lot of different types of embellishments. You have a lot of stickers, some tip-ins, you have some memos. This is a memo here, some notes like this. And these little vellum embellishments that I printed these mechanical insects. Where's the other one? These are really, really cute. I add a lot of memos and notes and tip-ins to junkify it. But as you can see, it's not that much junkified, but it will be. Vellum to cover some of the writing. And the best part about it is when you're journaling, and I use these little field note size books, I like to not only write on the pages, but also add other embellishments on it. I will definitely use like guest checks. decorative guest checks. Let me show you. We have some decorative guest checks that I have written on. We have some flashcards. All of these are my printouts that I would use to write on. Some tags. Use a lot of stuff that will help you junkify your book. I found these, forgot I had them in my stash that I could use to write on. Not only do I use these memos and stuff, I also incorporate envelopes into my notebook. Like this one. This was I think that's in my coffee shop. These dividers, rounded dividers right here, and the bigger version. The aesthetics of your journal should represent who you are, how you like your stuff to look. I like a lot of color. I love adding all different types of stationery into my book. I don't care how small it is. I like to create hybrid stationery. It's like the more paper that I could get my hands on to jot down some information, the better. This is my passion, even though I don't do it on a daily basis. I write in my journals when something hits me. I could be watching a video, say on YouTube or TikTok, and say somebody says something and it triggers some type of inspiration, some type of concept that I need to work on, expand on, so I could get a deeper understanding. And that's when I work in my journal. It's not a daily basis. It's throughout the week, probably once or twice I'll write in my book. But when something hit me, it could be several pages in a sitting. So I hope I provided y'all with some ideas how creative journaling could have different aesthetic states, that you don't have to always be cutesy or whatever. The aesthetics could come in all different types of forms, like in my referential forms, like in tables and maps and diagrams and the like. And those things for me serve two purposes: decoration and reference in my commonplace book. Just like with in my knowledge base, I add decorative elements. Oops, I add decorative elements to the pages. Sometimes I pre-decorate the page, but when I'm writing, I want to write with different things. So I do me, y'all do you. If you have any questions, hit me up. Drop a comment below. If you want some of these journaling embellishments, check out my Ko-fi page. If you want some prompts to work on, different from what you normally see on YouTube and TikTok and stuff, check out my Ko-fi page, because I have a lot of different types of prompts and decorations to go with it. So I will see you in another video. Bye.